So hello there friends, this is Shomu Banerjee from the channel Andrew World, and here is another most awaited and the most interesting topic from a fair few days you can say, and the content is about the Infinity Flex from Samsung, and that's about the foldable smartphone or foldable displayed smartphone which has been launched by Samsung just today, just a little ago, on the Samsung STC 2018. So don't tell them of the video to know all about the trailer and about what is gonna be or how is gonna be the Infinity Flex or the flexible displayed smartphone from the South Korean tech giant Samsung. So thanks for here to be with me, and here is Andrew. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, if you to share my videos, comment down below about your suggestions and queries from me. Thanks for watching towards Andrew World, and thanks for your time. So yeah friends, this was the trailer for the Infinity Flex by Samsung, and now this will be the hands-on experience for the Infinity Flex by the South Korean tech giant Samsung. So we have enjoyed today's video, and this was everything from the Samsung, the South Korean tech giant, and you're watching Andrew World. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video if you're new to, share my videos, comment down below about important suggestions and queries from me. Thanks for watching towards Andrew World, and thanks for your time.